Guys, here's a custom built 1966 Batmobile from the series Batman, made by Hot Wheels. It's been a while since I built one of these, probably well over a year. As you see, it features opening doors. It does come with its box. This is the box right here. It's in great shape as well. The car, what I've done, I've installed working lights in it. Runs off a 1.9 volt battery. It's right here on the base, really easy to replace. On and off switch right here. Let me turn them on so you can see the lights. You got the flashing beacon on the roof. You got the white and amber lights. And you got the afterburner lights and the tail lights. Again, the battery does clear the bottom, so it's not touching the bottom, so you got room that it's not touching at all. I guess it'll be a box for safe delivery. Again, I don't know when I'll build another one. I think this is the only one that I found, so I don't know if I have another one laying around somewhere. But again, this one's going to be for a while since I built another one, unless I find another one or I buy another one. Depends on the demand on it. It'll be up on eBay shortly for bids. Please bid what you're willing to pay, and please ask all questions before you bid. Payment is expected within 3 days. If not, I'll cancel the auction and relist it. Thanks for watching.